Hi there, and welcome to the Proxy Sale channel. My name is Andrew. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to set a proxy in the VMMask antidetect browser. Start by opening the VMMask browser. Navigate to the My IP tab located within the Profile section. There are two ways to set a proxy. The first method involves importing a .txt file containing all your proxies. Click on Batch Import and select the file. The alternative method is useful when you are going to use a single proxy. Click on Create. In the opened window, start by selecting your protocol type in the first field. Next, fill in the address and port fields with your proxy's IP and port. If it's a private proxy, input the username and password into the account and password fields respectively. Once you've entered all the necessary details, click Save. And that's it. Your newly configured proxy will now show up in the work area, ready for you to use with any profiles you create. Let me remind you that your work as well as your accounts may be at risk if you operate with free proxies that can be found on a network. Such proxies do not have guarantees of anonymity and security. We recommend a reliable and trusted provider, proxysale.com, which will allow you to get proxies of any location with guaranteed anonymity and security for working on a network. The link will be in the description. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons. See you in the next video.